sibe nemali eningi. Good morning. Welcome to a day in my life vlog. I woke up at 1 p.m. and I was like, the weather is so beautiful outside for me to stay indoors. I am going to a nicest cafe in Munju. I saw this cafe last year in winter and I was like, as soon as Ilangal Puma Sana, I am going there. So get ready with me to go to this cafe. I feel like I'm so late. It's like 20 minutes away from my place and I'm going to apply this oil serum. I got it from Coupang. Oh, this smells so good. And in Shengo Siska Pure, I'm using this oil to let the hair shine. You see the difference? Now it's more silky. Okay, let me put on my earrings and ngicabanga ukufaka i-lipstick red bese ngiyanibonisa the full outfit. I also need to change the bundle, leli bundle of gym. I cannot rock the outfit nice kanje nale bundle, so ngizofaka leli black. I'm seeing myself recording. I also need one in gold and then another one in silver. Okay, so now help me choose the glasses. This is my first choice. Firstly, let me show you the full outfit so that you can have an idea. I know by the time I post this vlog, but please help me choose it. I think I'm gonna go with these ones. I don't know. And then for shoes, I'm going to wear these Mr. Price shoes that I bought 2 years ago when I went home. And I'm going to carry my Charles & Keith bag. And scent of the day is going to be this baby right here. Yeah guys, let me request a taxi and leave the house. These are the days I prayed for. Amalanga ashisayo azongenza ukuthi ngiphumele ngaphandle cause ngamuhle. I am waiting for the taxi and the sun is setting. Young stress. Kusemakhaya lapha ngiyakhona, I know I will struggle to find a taxi when I have to come back. But khona ngiyaya and it's not 20 minutes away, it's 25 minutes away. Am I too late to change my mind? Yes, I'm so late because it's already 4 p.m. Also my outfit complement le ndawo engiyikhethile. I cannot change my mind at this moment, so let's go.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold.
This is what I'm here for. And they also have a museum. So I guess I have to go this way. Oh, guys, I love Wonju in summer. The countryside of Wonju, my favorite. What's about this? Holy living.
Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you. Got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go back. 'Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
relaxing as all day. And this is their signature drink, and 10 out of 10 Sama. This is so refreshing. This very nice. Ten out of 10. I think Bagavala in a few minutes. There's some cream. Take a bite. For those who live in Wonjulenda or Lenny Sekoleni was a Museum Sun, maybe 5 minutes away from Museum Sun. So overall it's like 22 to 25 minutes from anything. Everyone is leaving, it's time to go. I was hungry, I finished everything. This has to be one of the best cafes I've been to in Wonju. Just look at my background. Bengagafuna come Bavala early, Bavala at 6 p.m. So I have to request a taxi and go home. I'll talk to you guys later.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from.
Guys, I am back home and I took a long shower. So umcimbi uzoqhubeka endlini. I've had done. It's a sparkling wine, 12%, and she is the girl she thinks she is. I bought here from GS The Fresh. I don't know if you can get it from. It's 25, 7-Eleven, Angazenberg. And of course, I am watching myself. Whenever you guys are not posting vlogs, I have to rewatch each and every vlog I've ever posted to post up in the email because you guys are not watching my ads. I also feel like I don't tell you guys enough to watch my ads. I always say, please subscribe. But okay, I'm begging you tonight, please do not skip the ads. The way I'm going with consistency, please do not skip the ads, okay? I would have loved to go back to the cafe, but it's too far, honestly. I paid a lot of money for a taxi, and then my man took care of the rest. And when I was checking if Akona bus there's only one bus at 5 p.m, which is pointless. At 6. We are going to toast to summer, more days outside. We are going to try new restaurants. We are going to spend weekends in my hotel. We are going to have more money to do all of the things that makes me happy in summer. We are going to enjoy life. We are going to have the most beautiful year. Maqhubeke kanjalo, sijabuleni, sibe nemali eningi.
and things.